Good afternoon, everybody. Cash here from Rick Case. Got a brand new color for you on the 2026 GV70. This is called Ceres Blue. That's what I'm calling it. Don't know if it's correct or not. But good looking vehicle. We've had this palette of blue in quite some time. We used to have one on the older G80s back when they were Hyundai models. But this one is very nice looking. This one is an advanced model, 2.5. That's the most popular trim we're getting these days. And then over here, got it here for you. As always, if you have any questions, give me a ring, 603-858-4511. A really nice color option if you're looking for something with a different palette. All right, guys, take care. I'll talk to you later.